Good day everyone. In this video, I will demonstrate the basic CRUD operation using MongoDB Compass. So CRUD stands for create, read, update, and delete. So first is open your MongoDB app. So in this scenario, since I have already created a database, and I have a database called CRUD operation and collection name, collection called students. Then for the next step is we need to insert a multiple student document. If you insert a multiple student document, you need to click this button icon and insert document. Since mag-insert man tag multiple students, so siyang i-clear. Tapos para maka-insert tag multiple students, need na to mag-array. Name Alice, and course is computer science. And year level 2. So ato lang na siya i-copy. So 3 is enough. Bob, early, information, level 3. So after entering the data, click insert. So all students are now added to the collection. Skip. So to retrieve all students' records, I leave the filter box empty and click find. For example, so if gusto na to mag-retrieve og document based on a condition, for example, i-retrieve na tong student nga nag-enroll sa computer science, so I enter this filter. So there is a query. Course computer science. So click find. As you can see, nakita si Alex and si Charlie. So course nila is computer science. So how to update a student record? Since I already nga nakita naman ninyo ganina ang how to update manually, just click this the edit document button and can edit is either the student ID, the name, the course, the year level. Since dili man ta gusto kuan, di man nato gusto nga kuan na sila i-manual, so so ato na lang siyang i-direct. Pwede rin siya set ano na, pencil icon, set sa man gusto na to ikuan pang year level, pang 3 nato ni sila tanan, year level, year level tapos 3. So makita ni mo diri tanan nga mga year level malisdan na siya 3 except sa except kang Bob read na to. So refresh. So tara, year level. Kuha na siya, na-change na siya. So to verify the update, I filter the student again using the student ID 1. Student ID 1. Wait, hindi. Kailangan siya i-set. Yes. So, tara. Hindi po natin ipalista na yung mga student ID. So, don't need naman na ito na siya listan. Kaya naman siya ID or object ID ng mga unit. So, delete. So, sunod is update, delete. So, the last one is delete. So, since nag-use mo tag MongoDB, dali rin siya ma-delete. Just click the trash button on the upper right. So, like delete delete na to si Charlie. Document flag or for deletion, delete na siya. Para ma-confirm na to ang delete, pangitaon na to si Bob. Para for once nga i-click nimo ning find button nga walay value, mugawas tanan mga students diriya or mga ID. So wala na. So since I successfully demonstrated the collaboration in MongoDB Compass, thank you for watching.